with ribbons bright, I twirl around in morning light. I brush my hair and strike a pose. A princess sparkles head to toes. I don't need spells or royal rules, just kindness, dreams, and sparkly jewels. I make the magic happen, watch me shine. With every step, the world feels fine. I laugh, I sing, I lead the way, and sprinkle joy throughout the day. Yes, I make the magic happen, me, a princess wild and full of glee. I ride a scooter through the park. I dance with frogs from dawn to dark. I chat with birds and giggle loud. My royal laugh draws quite a crowd. A crown is nice, but here's the truth. My heart's the brightest gem forsooth. I make the magic happen, can't you see? It isn't locked in royalty. It's hugs and hope and dreams that soar, and glitter trails behind each shore. Yes, I make the magic happen true, with fairy dust in all I do. I might trip or lose my shoe, but I'll just giggle as I do. 'Cause every day's a chance to try to twinkle like the stars up high. I make the magic happen every day. I turn the clouds to skies of play. So come along, don't miss the show. The princess power set to go. Yes, I